Now we'll go up to 7 and we're going to go look at the room. Even though I'm a guest at this hotel, and even if my room key card works, we cannot go up all the way to the top because my room key card will only work for the floor in which my room is assigned. Okay, there goes the elevator. In here you got a drinking water dispenser where the guests at this hotel can get water from. This will cold water, warm, and then hot. And then the number in this is in degrees Celsius. And people call it centigrade in foreign countries. And over there, that goes to the service elevator, but unfortunately we cannot ride those because these are only for the staff. And now let's go look at the room. I'm in room 734. It's just a typical type of Furama Riverfront style hotel room. In here you got 2 twin size beds, and here's the view out, and there's a view to the pool, but apparently it's very dark at night to see. The pool lights were not turned on. It must be that the pool is already closed for the night. And right here you got a lamp, and you have 2 universal electrical outlets. In here you got a telephone, and you got 1 universal electrical outlet. In here you got a small refrigerator. And you got a TV. Well, TV I'm not going to turn it on because of copyright claim. I do not want to get a copyright claim or a strike. And in here there's a closet. There's an iron board. And then there's the iron machine. And you got a safety box. I think that slider could be a thing where you swipe the card, but actually it's probably a flake slider right here. And now let's check out the bathroom. Here's your bathroom sink and a commode. we're gonna go ahead and try out the flush test for the commode. And in here is the shower. Well, for those of you shower fans, we're gonna go ahead and try out the shower. Now let's go ahead and turn this off. It's really a high-class hotel bathroom. And look in the mirror, who do you see? It's me. So what do you think about this hotel tour? This hotel is really awesome. So I guess that does it for now for this hotel tour. And I guess that would be it. Bye.